Your brain isn't broken. It's just expanding blood vessels so fast it's triggering a panic alarm. Eat slower, legend. We've all been there. One glorious bite. Suddenly your skull feels like it's being squeezed by a very aggressive, very cold vice. What just happened? Hold on. Before you blame the dairy, let's rewind. This isn't a glitch. It's an evolutionary prank. And it all starts with a nerve that sounds like a medical textbook threw up on it. Enter the trigeminal nerve. Yes, that's its name. It's basically your face's security guard. It handles sensation for your forehead, cheeks, and jaw, and it does not mess around. When ice hits the roof of your mouth, that nerve goes full alert. It screams, temperature drop detected. Your brain panics. It thinks you're in immediate danger, so it hits the panic button. Here's the twist. The pain isn't actually in your brain. It's referred pain. Your brain misinterprets the signal. It's like getting a wrong number, but the call is coming from inside your skull. Blood vessels in that exact spot instantly expand. Why? To warm you up. It's a thermal emergency response, like calling the fire department because you dropped a single snowflake. This reaction was documented way back in 1900. Back then, people actually waited for their drinks to cool down. Now, we're chugging slushies like it's a speedrun. Modern impatience is the real villain here. We shovel cold stuff into our mouths at Mach speed. The nerve can't keep up. The blood vessels can't react fast enough. And suddenly you're holding your head, questioning your life choices. So how do you stop it? Press your tongue to the roof of your mouth. Trap the heat or sip something warm. Your brain will calm down. The vessels will shrink. The screaming stops. Next time you dive into a frozen cone, take a breath. Let your nervous system catch up. Your brain isn't betraying you. It's just trying to keep you from freezing to death over a scoop of mint chocolate chip. Priorities, bestie. Still curious about other weird body glitches? Hit subscribe. We decode the nonsense your nervous system throws at you every single day. Stay cool. Literally.